cone. So different, we are area volume of the cone. How do we find out the cone area? That so different in your solid objects you have the different right circular cone and derivation of the formula to determine the surface area of the right circular cone and derive the formula of the volume of the right circular cone and apply the formula of the volume of a right circular cone. Right circular cone is nothing but cones will be in different shapes you will be able to see. But the base, whenever it is perpendicular to the base, means what? It is whatever you are having at the height of the cone is perpendicular to the base whenever you are taking into consider, then only it is called as a right circular cylinder in case of the cylinder, and in case of the cone also same way. Okay. ये चल रहा है इधर नहीं दिखा दे रहे, that's why I cannot explain properly. चलो छोड़ दो यार, because it is showing little bit. Wait. Yes. So here you see that this is the base and these are the lateral faces, and the upper part is called as a vertex. So here whenever you are taking lateral surface, curved surface, lateral surface and curved surface are different here. In the first phase figure is the pyramid. It is called as a pyramid. You are not having actually pyramid here. And the second one is cone. So actually whenever you are having a pyramid, it is a cone can be called as a circular pyramid. Bases of the pyramids can be any polygon in the shape. Actually polygons hota hai in the pyramid, but here in this case the cone is a solid shape. Here whenever you are taking into consider, we are going to get the one sector, a circular object में एक sector को mold कर लिया तो then we are going to get it as a cone, conical shape we are going to. So how cone is constructed? Construction will be normally whenever you are taking a right angle triangle and moving this right angle triangle around the height h like this, if you are moving that, then whatever the place it is getting, that is called as a right circular cone. It is called as right circular cone. So the whatever the fixed axis, we call it as an axis, around the axis it is moving. So that is called as a height here, and the L is denoted by the slant height and the base radius. Down whatever the circular shape is there, the radius of the circular shape is called as a base radius. So R, L, H will form a right angle triangle, 90 degrees. So the angle between the length of the R and H will be 90 degrees. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, you can say that L square is equals to R square plus H square, and from that L slant height you can find out with the help of the Pythagoras theorem. So here you see that this is perpendicular. Some cones will be the second type of whatever it is shown here. That is not a right circular cone. Okay. So normally in birthday celebrations hats you are going to see that. How would you estimate the material required to make a caps which are in the conical shape? Conical shape में वो paper होता है, paper or whatever it may be the material is. So how much material is required? You need to find out the lateral surface area, because the base is not going to have curved surface area. Area of the base will not be there in that case. So if you are adding area of the base, it is called as a total surface area. Total surface area is equals to curved surface area plus area of the base. Okay. So this is these two if you are adding. Now how do we find out the curved surface area of it? Means curved surface area means only the upper part should be taken into consider. So curved surface area of the cone, if you want to find out, you need to take actually into the consideration of a sector into consideration. A sector should be taken into consider, and sector means circular. In the circle, if you cut the one part like this, then whatever the shape you are going to get is like this. It is called as a sector. Radius and will be there. So apart two radii and one arc will form a sector. So here whenever you are taking into consider, the complete length will be 2 pi r, means around the circumference whenever you are taking into consider. It is called as a 2 pi r. So now here it is divided into this, it divided into some triangles like this. It is divided into some triangle. So area of the one triangle is equals to half into base into height. It is exactly not triangle, but you have to assume it as a infinite number of the triangles may have. So half into base into height, half into base into L. Here height will become as a L, slant height. Because whenever you are taking this one, this will be the slant height now. So triangle whenever you are taking into consider. So half into B1 into L, half into B2 into L, half into B3 into L. Like that, how many triangles will be there? That many, means infinite number of triangles. So half into L into B1, B2, B3. So B1, B2, B3, what becomes? It is circumference of the circle. Because the all together will form, उसको mold करने के बाद नीचे क्या होगा? Circle form होगा. So that is nothing but the sector length of the arc, big arc will become as a circumference of the circle of the base. So 2 pi r होगा. So 2 pi r 1 by 2 into L into 2 pi r if you are simplifying. So you are going to get it as a pi r L. So lateral surface area or curved surface area of the this any circular, means right circular cone is pi r L. So half into L into 2 pi r, and 2 will get cancelled. Then we are going to get it as a pi r L. So that is the surface area, and total surface area means area of the base should be added to that. And whenever you take the volume, so volume is normally whenever you take that the 3 volume of the cone will be, so same height, same base radius cylinder you take into consider, and take some value means either you can take the, you can make it as a one activity at home also if you are interested. One conical shape and one cylindrical shape, 3 conical shapes. So if you are cylindrical shape, water or any sand, any value, if you are pouring into the 3 cones, it is equals to the 3 cones. So volume of the cone will be equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is volume of the cone, and curved surface area of the cone is pi r L, and volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square. 1 by 3 of the volume of the cylinder. Cylinder ka volume is half. Okay. So this is the thing you have to, and based on this only you are going to have the problems in the exercise. Okay. So volume of the cone and curved surface area. Total surface area means pi r L plus pi r square. Pi r L plus pi r square. Okay. So this is about the cone, and let us go for the problems.